My Tamamua. Hey, Nwa was a ma. I Tama.
Stop. It's okay.
My northern lover, baby M. Oh God. Do you know that my love for you increases every day?
Okay, you want to start making me to my.
There is what happened yesterday,
okay.
And my love for Hausa women increased. You know, I
like you.
my Obioma, the man that sews clothes for me. You know all those Obioma people now. He's
Obioma. What is
Tell her.
Okay, tell her.
Yes, he's from the north, baby.
Yesterday
he came to my house. He was sewing clothes for me. So at the time, he now make one call like that. That I don't know what he told the person, but the person was asking him where he is. So I was there. Hey, I can't see one fine woman. No, baby, if you see this fine woman, the woman came to give him something he forgot in the house, and I asked her, "Who is this woman?" He now said the woman is his wife. Hey, Jesus Christ. Baby, if you see how fine this woman was looking, I was wondering, what did this woman see in this man that will make her to follow him and even marry him? I can't know say Hausa women are so contented with what they have. Hausa women, baby. The contentment is over 100. Baby, I know that if it's Igbo women, Igbo woman will never follow you. So where? I wish Igbo women can learn from these Hausa women. Be contented with your man, with what your man have, what he's doing.
Yeah, it is like that with Hausa people. How we are like that.
Abi?
When we love somebody, we love us with every heart. Like we love with every heart. Whether you have small, you have big, we will grow with you. Everybody will grow with you. We are like that. That is why I like you.
Yes.
We are like that.
Hi. Igbo women don't love with their hearts, they love with their eyes. With their eyes. Anya, what they see, the money they see.
But me, I like Igbo women, pa. I like Igbo women very well. They are very, very hard workers. They work hard, they are women, they're strong. They are very, very, how do they say?
Industrious.
That it's not, in the industrious, they do business. Business color.
Yes.
Kuma, this is what I want to say.
Independent.
They are very independent. They are very,
yes.
They don't depend on any man.
I agree.
You see a woman, she back her picking, she sell this thing, she go out in the morning, she do business. Igbo woman, they push any person that is around.
Yes.
Their children, their husband, they do kind. I like them very much.
Yes.
There's this woman, Mama Chioma, when when I touch, we are growing up. Mama Chioma, at a point she lost her husband. And she has 5 children. Hey. But then Mama Chioma, she does not know she gets pregnant. The husband died. So when the husband died, she born children. She born the child. Kuma is making 6 children.
Yes.
All of those children, she trained all of them. They are all in. She trained all of them. They all graduate.
Igbo woman is too strong.
They push. Sometimes I just wish Hausa women, wallah, we can be like that. We want to come out to be doing business. To our children. See, when Tima Amanda Ngozi, she's see,
one
Maton, Ezekwesi. Obi Ezekwesi. I love that woman. Ngozi Iwala. Yowa.
May her soul rest in peace.
Yes. All of them, they are Igbo women. To me, I'm not Hausa women. We don't really do that kind of thing. We are behind. Come on, these days, I want us to be out. People should be looking at us as industrious people. We are strong women. So you don't call your Igbo women like that. Igbo women.
Yes, now you know Igbos. Igbos are biblical. They say we are from Israel. So you know.
Okay, I know that thing that they say. Every in your holy book.
Yes, the Bible.
Behind every successful man there is a woman.
Yes.
It should be behind every successful man there is an Igbo woman.
Aisha, I wish Igbo will hear you. Even self, I wish Igbo will still learn from you too. Let Igbo women be contented with their man. Let them learn from you people too. Yeah, because he that findeth an Hausa woman findeth a good thing too.
You find a good thing, I go.
Aisha, I don't know why. Let me the one to say it now. I've heard you learn from me, I learn from you. Wana gaga. Let me go and prepare for market today. Okay. To say Auntie my bye. I know say you love me and I love you too. I'm gonna just help me. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Yam Baba Comedian. Click on subscribe, it's free. Biko, click on that bell too. And so that you get notification whenever I post. I love you too. Biko, no, go. We are begging you, please go.